Hi there, welcome to my new video on connectivity modes in Power BI Desktop. There are three connectivity modes in Power BI Desktop: import, direct query and live connection. In Power BI Desktop, when we connect to databases like SQL, Oracle, MySQL, we get connectivity mode options import and direct query. Let's explore these options in Power BI Desktop. Let's go to Home tab, then Get Data. Then let's select SQL Server. Here in data connectivity mode, you'll get import and direct query. And when we get connect to analysis service models like SQL Server Analysis Services, Azure Analysis Services, etc., we get import and live connection option. Let's go to Home tab, then Get Data, then Analysis Services. Here you'll get two options, import and connect live. Let's discuss about each of these connectivity mode options, their pros and cons, and where to use which connectivity modes. Import connectivity mode in Power BI Desktop. In import mode, data is extracted from the data source and loaded to the Power BI Desktop. It means data is copied from the data source and saved in Power BI memory for analysis. Pro account and premium account support upload of data up to 1 GB and 10 GB respectively. So there is a limit per data set that is imported in Power BI. So any data more than that we cannot carry out our analysis in import mode. We can merge data from multiple sources. We can create data models, transform data and perform calculations using DAX. So in import mode, we can use full functionality of Power BI Desktop. We can do data modeling, cleaning, transformation and perform calculations using DAX. We can see all the three view tab, report view, data view, model view in Power BI Desktop. We can work offline as data is stored within Power BI memory. Working with import mode is faster. We need to refresh the data at regular interval. As data is not real-time data, it's imported and saved in Power BI memory, we need to refresh the data to get accurate and consistent data. In import mode, we can load data from various sources such as Excel files, CSV files, databases, and cloud-based services like Microsoft Dynamics, Salesforce, Azure, etc. So, the pros of import connectivity modes are it can merge data from multiple sources. We can utilize all the functionality of Power BI Desktop, data modeling, cleaning, transformation of data, and perform calculation using DAX. We can work offline. Working with import mode is faster, whereas the cons of import mode is there is a limit per data set that is imported into Power BI and we have to refresh the data to get real-time updates of data. Let's discuss about direct query. Direct query is a direct connection to the data source. It can deal with large data set, real-time and accurate data. As data source is directly connected to the Power BI desktop and data is not saved in Power BI memory, it can deal with large data set and we don't have to refresh the data to get the accurate data. Limited data modeling and DAX functionality. Only two view tab in Power BI desktop, report view and model view. We cannot see the data view option and we cannot do data cleaning and transformation work. We cannot work offline as we have to connect to the database. Some of the data sources supporting direct query options are SQL Server, Snowflake, Oracle Database, Spark, etc. So, the pros of direct query connectivity modes are it can deal with large data set and we can get real-time and accurate data for analysis. And the cons of direct query connectivity modes are limited functionality of Power BI desktop, slower than other types of connection, we cannot work offline. Let's discuss about live connection. Live connection is direct connection to the analysis service model, excellent for large data set, real-time and accurate data, limited functionality, no Power Query, and cannot combine data from multiple sources. So we cannot see the data view and model view in Power BI desktop in live connection mode. Supports DAX, slower connection, need to do performance tuning. We cannot work offline. Live connection is only supported for these data sources: Azure Analysis Services, SQL Server Analysis Services Tabular, SQL Server Analysis Services Multidimensional, and Power BI Dataset in the service. Let's explore these three connectivity modes in Power BI Desktop. Go to Home tab, then Get Data, then SQL Server, then Server Name. Let's explore the Import Connectivity mode first. Then click OK. Select the data, then load. Here you can see all the three view: report view, table view, and model view. Let's delete the data from here. Delete from model and explore the direct query mode. Go to get data, then SQL Server, then server name, then direct query, then click OK, then load. Here you can see only two options: report view and model view. We cannot do data cleaning, transformation work in direct query mode. As I don't have access to analysis service platform, I am not able to show you live connection connectivity mode. In live connection connectivity mode, we can see only this report view tab, and we cannot see the model view and data view tab. So when to use which connectivity mode depends upon the amount of data we have to work with and how frequently it's updated. That's all for this video. Thank you.